Storybird is a site where you can create and publish your own online picture book using artwork from the site alongside your own story ideas. To begin, first sign into the site, entering your username or email address and your password and clicking on the blue Sign In button. To get started, click on the Create tab at the top of the page. This will take you to the bank of art that's available on the site, which is grouped by A, a collection of artwork which you can look through, B, artwork which is grouped by themes, and you can choose a word that inspires or interests you, or C, where you can take on a challenge. Click on your chosen theme and you'll be taken through to a collection of artwork where you can choose which one you like the best. Click on it and it will take you through to show other artwork by that artist that you can use in your storybook. When you're happy that this is the artwork you want to use, click on the blue Start a Storybook button. There are 3 elements to creating your Storybird book. Firstly, the writing, secondly, the artwork, and thirdly, the ability to add or remove pages to create a story of the length that you choose. Choose a piece of artwork and click and drag it into your white page in the middle of the screen. You can choose where your image appears on your page by clicking and dragging it until you're happy with its location. A cursor will appear below or beside the image, and you can begin to write your story. If you realise that you've made a mistake, you can just move the cursor to the area where you need to change and retype that section of your story. To create your front cover, click on the cover page and you'll be able to edit who the story is by and also add a title for your story. Add a page to your story by clicking the Add a Page button and dragging the page to whereabouts you want it in your book. Add images and text as before and additional pages until your book is finished, and then save your book by clicking on the Save button. You can use the menu button to invite others to read your story and publish your Storybird. On the Publisher page, you can add a plot summary, you can add tags to help others find your story, decide whether it's private or public, and publish. You can still edit your published book if you need to make any changes, and you can view your published book by clicking on Open, which will show you a full screen version of your book as others would read it. In your section of Storybird, you can build yourself a profile under the You tab, and you can also read other people's storybirds using the Read tab. Now it's your turn to have a go.